Hi Aquarius, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your yearly forecast for the year 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into this oracle deck that I have here. Aquarians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages. They may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. I would also like to thank you for your support in this journey. May this 2022 turn out just the way that you desire. Towards the final days of December, stepping into January 2022, we have the Eight of Cups. I think professionally you were doing quite well, but emotionally you were feeling the pressure. Maybe psychologically you were down and out. I think some kind of separation was also there. Maybe like this person, you were walking away from drama or from certain circumstances. Maybe you want to start the new year afresh. I think for some of you, you were also desiring closure. Maybe you understood that there were certain blockages in your life. Like I said, professionally, you may have been doing well, so maybe money or dues may have come in. Obstacles to overcome this year, the challenges that 2022 is going to pose for you is the Five of Cups. Like the Eight of Cups, this is the Five of Cups, so you do want to start afresh, but then emotionally you're carrying that energy into the year. Maybe you should clarify things. You should not hide yourself behind closed doors. Rather, you should face the world even if there are emotional challenges there. I think there could be mistrust in a relationship. Even professionally, you could be a bit distracted. Maybe there are interruptions that you have to deal with, so you need to refocus. At times, Aquarius, your schedules could also be disrupted. Maybe you're dealing with a very demanding boss. Even when it comes to communication, I think you should clarify. Maybe there are misunderstandings which you could do without. Influences for this year, we have the Nine of Cups. I think rewards for your past effort is coming in. Possibly, you did the groundwork last year, and this is going to pave the way for material benefits. Paperwork or travel is also on the cards for you, or there could be some changes in your work environment. Technically, I think you will be challenged. Maybe you need to learn or upgrade your skills technically, but you will come up trumps. I think some of you also want to reconnect with someone this year. Maybe that is why this lady, she seems to be looking away. She wants to be with that person and she's looking into the distant future. Though this year is going to be the time for good beginnings, I think you should work hard and you should accomplish your ends. Even if there are pressing matters, you're going to be quite dedicated and focused. The first 4 months of the year, we have the Ten of Wands. Heavy burdens are going to weigh on your shoulders. Your responsibilities are going to increase. Maybe even within the family, there are pressures which are going to tell on you. You're frustrated because, sometimes our family members fail to listen to our point of view. Maybe you think that your voice is being ignored. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that support is going to come in from the opposite sex. Maybe there are going to be friends who are going to stand by you. Though you do believe your family should have been more supportive of your ideas and ventures. Another card which flipped up for the first 4 months is the Nine of Swords. This is another card which is bringing in anxiety into your life. This figure here or this lady here, she seems to be suffering from sleepless nights, so health issues could also be there, or you could be suffering from anxiety attacks. Nevertheless, I think contracts are going to be there. You may be dealing with legal documents this year. Though there are going to be times when you have to step up, maybe colleagues are absent, so the onus is going to be on you, but then you're not someone who is going to whine. Rather, you're somebody who is going to get down to business. You're going to be making good progress, even quick progress. Maybe there are going to be job opportunities, but then financially it may not be up to your expectations. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you should be careful because your rivals are also going to try to malign you. Maybe they are jealous of your achievements or skills. The next 4 months, that is May, June, July, August, we have the Six of Pentacles here. Money seems to be flowing out. Or maybe you're going to be profligate, or you're going to be in a generous mood. Maybe family members desire financial assistance and you're going to be there rock solid, helping them in their hour of need. However, Aquarians also believe that You should lower your expectations. You may also feel that there are limitations imposed upon you by your family members. Maybe you want to leave the roost, you want to go for greener pastures, but they may think that your ideas are not going to amount to anything. You should also lower your expectations. Maybe you have a creative idea in mind, but then there are no takers for it. Perhaps those who are reviewing your work fail to understand your creative bent. Some of you should also pull up your socks because it's highly likely that the boss may not be happy with your productivity. Maybe your boss feels that you're not focused. These are the months when you need to be generous and kind hearted, or you need to be benevolent. Aquarians, you're known to have that giving attitude. So I think the universe is definitely going to reward you abundantly. Other than that, I think Aquarians, you should be careful because you're going to be quite temperamental. Maybe you could also lose objects. On the legal front, I think positive developments are going to be there for you. The final 4 months of the year, we have the Star card. This is your energy. The star represents the Aquarius sign, so it is definitely the time to learn. Maybe you will also realize that you cannot fight destiny. In all likelihood, there will be spur of the moment decisions. Again, you need to tone down your expectations. Maybe monetary gains are going to be there. You need to collaborate with others. You need to cooperate as well as polish your skills. Basically, this is a time when there could be a twist in your routine. Maybe your work is also hampered because you don't have the equipment at your disposal. Someone could also deliberately try to hinder your plans. So these are obstacles that you need to maneuver. But then Aquarians, the good thing is that you are known to be someone who can keep these things aside and soldier on. So it would be best to control the situation rather than let it go out of control. Money could also come in, or even you may be paying up your dues at this time. I think this year you will also be investing in gadgets because gadgets could malfunction. You will also be wanting to do up the home. Expect your love life. I have this card on the rebound. Perhaps you or the person in question here may have had a failed relationship and he quickly wants to move towards you. So you should be careful because you know the residual energies of a past relationship can affect your relationship. There should ideally be love in a relationship for it to blossom. Maybe this is also a very casual fling or casual relationship. Perhaps that is why Aquarians, we have this card complicated. I think you need to let yourself free from situations which are unhealthy for you. This relationship could leave you in knots. Maybe you're in a third party situation. You do have to untangle rather than get entangled in a mess. For some Aquarians, I'm also picking up that you could be dealing with a past life relationship. Maybe someone from your past is re-entering in this 2022. Perhaps you may also want to reach out to a person you fancy or have feelings for because you believe you need to discuss things. Maybe you can write a letter or you could write a short note to this person. Nevertheless, there are also going to be those suitors and admirers, but then you don't have time for them. Maybe you don't want to string anyone along. You want to distance yourself from such relationships. Aquarians, you could also be dealing with an ex-flame this year. By the way, in case you're already romancing, I think you'll have pleasant moments with your lover. Maybe you could also travel to be with your beloved. Your lover could also be concerned about your health. On the other hand, it's also quite possible that your loved ones may not be pleased with your attachment with someone. This year, many Aquarians will also be concerned about the financial decisions that your beloved or your spouse makes. Maybe you think that he doesn't have the foresight or that he is being experimental with respect to money matters. Nevertheless, I think your spouse is someone who is going to help you out or who is going to assist you. The Native Spirit Oracle deck, we have this card, Tribal Spirit Dancer. I think the universe is asking you to be free, to relax, to loosen up, to go with the flow of life rather than be too bogged down on account of work. Follow your heart's desire, so to speak. Basically, you should explore, you should go beyond your predictable behavior, try something new and different. Or perhaps this card is also asking you to clear out the emotional baggage which comes from a complicated relationship. From Lenormand, we have this card, Moon. So some kind of confusion is going to be there. So you should follow your inner voice or your instincts. Perhaps there could also be a trip that you make which could amount to nothing. Maybe there's confusion with respect to a health matter or with respect to a loved one's health matter this year. You do desire clarity. Other than that, Aquarians, I think your temperament could be suspect this year, so you should be mindful of your mood swings. Incidentally, Archangel Raphael is also asking you to change physicians here. Maybe you should take a second opinion. You should consult another doctor. So it could be wise of you to take a second opinion, to consult other physicians. Even natural healing methods could benefit you. So alternative medicine could be a remedy for you. It could soothe your nerves. The last card in this reading is Observer. Perhaps Aquarians, this is also the year when you should be vigilant. You should observe from behind. Or perhaps some of you also being watched or somebody is observing you on the social media. Nevertheless, I think 2022 is going to be marked by hectic activity. I think this is the time when you need to explore, expand, step into your extraordinary self. I hope Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.